Pre-orders for 2022 Ford F-150 Lightning haven't been open long, but 100,000 people have already placed a $100 deposit for the electric truck. Though reservation holders have a rough idea of what the Lightning will cost, Ford has not released official full-range pricing just yet. We knew the Lightning would start at $39,974, before destination, for the commercial-oriented Pro model and top out. Around $90,474 for a fully loaded version. Now, the F-150 Gen 14 forum has obtained a full trim breakdown for the highly anticipated truck. The pricing document was reportedly sent as a survey, revealing all 6 trim configurations. As expected, the Lightning Pro model is listed at $39,974, $32,474 after tax credit, while the top Platinum trim level starts at $89,874, $82,374 after tax credit. We'll note that the base models with the standard battery produce 426 horsepower and 775 lb-ft. This leak reveals more detailed pricing information for the mid-range Lightning models, which should make up the bulk of sales. The XLT trim starts at $54,974, $45,474 after tax credit, with the standard range battery enabling a 240-mile driving range, though an extended range battery with a 300-mile range is available. This model adds a gray ion metallic front grille with signature lighting, body color bumpers, 360-degree camera, 8-way power cloth seats, power adjustable pedals, heated mirrors, running boards, Sirius XM radio, and a keyless entry keypad. Adding the premium package to the XLT trim costs $3,800, rolling in Co-Pilot Assist 2.0 with adaptive cruise control. This package includes niceties such as a 9.6 kilowatts onboard power supply, keyless entry, 20-inch wheels, heated steering wheel, 10-way power seats, LED bed lights, and a power tailgate with step and work surface.